Hey everybody, I would like you to comment, like, and subscribe to Fred's Awesome Pop Collection. So before I get into the video, go do that right now. Did you do it? Alright. Well, let's get into the video. And make sure to hit that bell notification when I upload videos about unboxing, mystery boxes, hunting for pops, and Funko HQ. So definitely hit that bell and subscribe. And share this with friends, okay? You gotta do that. Did you do that? You did? Alright, let's get into this awesome video. Because I'm Fred and I'm awesome. Alright, see you later. See you in the video.
Hey guys, I'm back and I got two boxes in the mail today. Now, I'm not sure which one's which. I know one of them is Macaulay Culkin and one is another at Icon, Bazooka Joey. So, let's go with the smaller one. But, which is interesting is look at the box. Right there. Look at all that. Isn't that crazy? There's a lot of old school like stamps or something. And then I also noticed it's kind of damaged, so hopefully this Pops is not damaged. That would be kind of upset me if this box was damaged, but I don't know. So let's check it out, guys. So good. Okay, so this is Bazooka Joey. So, other ad icon. I can get it out. Aha, there we go. So a reverse box? Oh yeah, that's what the box inside looked like. Interesting. Oh, Funko. So let's check out Bazooka Joey. So one more bag. Oh, there we go. Only at Target. Bazooka Joey. So here's my other ad icon, Bazooka Joey. Check him out. That was pretty dope. There's the side. There's the back to it. I used to chew this gum when I was a kid. It was pretty cool gum. There's the top. Oop. It's a little bit damage right there. It was not that bad. All in all, it is pretty good. So just maybe a little bend here at the bottom, but all in all, there it is, Bazooka Joey, another ad icon. I think that's my 6th one. So this right here would be Macaulay Culkin, and I will have, there's one more Kevin, but this is one from this is one of the ones from the movie. But there's another one from the movie where he's wearing his beanie from the movie. I don't have that one. That's another one. I was wondering why is that one not a chase? So you got the original one, right? So it could be like, Target exclusive, Walmart or Organs exclusive, or a chase. But it's just another common, I guess, which is interesting. Oh, come on, nice. Oh, there we go. Sometimes it's, interesting. Oh, let's make another one, but it's just another common. It's like different. So here we go. bubble wrapped it pretty good. There we go. Cool. Yeah. Okay, so there he is. Call it Culkin or Kevin. Sorry, I know. Yeah. So Home Alone. So there's Harry Marv, and there he is with the iron and his BB gun, which is pretty cool. A pretty good detailed pop. Vibro's really good. So yeah, all in all, there, I'm guessing must have been a sticker right here, because I don't know if you can see that right there. There's a little bit of tear away right there. But all in all, I completed my collection of Home Alone, except for the one with the beanie, so I'm gonna get that one next. Either I could just buy it just like this, or I could buy the exclusive box, which that comes with a beanie, so I could have him with the beanie, and then I could have the beanie for myself. So that's what I got in the mail today. So Macaulay Culkin and Bazooka Joey was really cool. So there he is there from the movie. There's the back, the bottom, there's the top. I like the top of them. So that's really cool. So I got Kevin. It's really didn't make anybody else from Home Alone. It's just like Kevin and the two bad guys, which mainly the movie is about was Kevin and two bad guys. So there you have it, you guys. My two new pops in the mail. Bazooka Joey, another ad icon, and Macaulay Culkin from Home Alone. So yeah. Alright, I'll catch you in the next video. I should be getting another ad icon to add to my collection. Peace out, y'all. See y'all next time. What's up, guys? I totally forgot. I finally hit 100 subscribers. I think I have 114 now. But if you guys would like to enter in my 100 contest giveaway, comment down below and let me know, and I will do my 100 subscriber giveaway. It's going to be fruit pie ad icon, because I have two. I bought one on eBay, and then I won one in a Facebook contest. I was like, oh man, I already have him. So there you go. So if you guys like to be in my giveaway, comment down below and let me know. And then for my next video that I'm going to do, when I get the fruit pie, or either one, it'll be a giveaway. So yeah, so my next video will be my giveaway. So comment down below if you want to be in the drawing for my first giveaway. So yeah, fruit pie is my giveaway ad icon. So yeah, let me know, comment down below. See y'all in my next video. Peace out, y'all. Comment on this video. Let me know if you want to be in my giveaway. Alright, peace out, y'all.